Hi everyone, welcome to VIEH OSINT series. So sometime we'll be having some sort of case where we have an image of a person who we want to find. So usually what we do image reverse search, right? So to get something related to that. So today we have a very interesting problem statement where you have to find someone via their face. We have only face and we have to find the footstep. So what we can do? So for that today I'm going to introduce you a website. It's called facecheck.id, right? So this is a very useful website. So where usually what happens if you drop an image on this website, this will search on multiple social media for scammers, databases for sex offenders video, mugshots and news and blogs. So on all these platforms by using a lot of syntax, this is going to help you. So let's check an example. So there we have two images. First of SRK, which is Shahrukh Khan. So I'm going to show you one more example. So first let's take it how it's showing us. So search internet by face. There's a basic captcha that we need to solve. Yes, we are human, so it's verified. So VNQ, it's searching on their engine. So there might be a lot of images in their database or social media. They might be using some Google Doc or some other techniques at the backend. So let's see how much things will be visible. So you can see there are approximately 9795653 faces on. So let's use. Now it's searching on the social media. So here you go. So you can see a lot of faces which is matched. So yeah, all the things are same. But let me show you some more examples. Let's take an example of our Starbucks with us. So here we go with an face. Now let's see how we are getting the output, right? All the output might not be same, but in most cases you'll get someone who might be related with the input that you have provided, right? The first place we are in the queue. So let's see how much time will it take. That's really useful actually. I'm using it from a couple of times back. It's very useful, so you may use in your investigations as well. Yeah, here we go. So we got a lot of images, but most of the images are not the same, but it's similar, right? So here's the first image which is similar to the person of our star. So both the people are same. So this is how this can help you out, right? So if you got something new to learn, please drop a like and subscribe button so that we can create some more videos. Alright guys, so by that being said, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.